The micro elevator. The shrink. Step back inside the glass elevator. We have ascended to the edge of the universe. We have descended to the bottom of the ocean. Today, we aren't moving through space or water. We are aiming the elevator for the deepest, darkest point inside you. You hit the button labeled with your own genetic fingerprint. The doors hiss shut. We blast off, not into the sky, but into the center of a single human thumb. The sidewalk disappears. The world explodes in scale. The living skin. At 100 micrometers, we make landfall. The surface of your thumb looks like a vast, hostile desert. Thick hairs stick up like prehistoric trees. We fall past a single sweat gland. You have up to 5 million sweat glands on your body. At 10 micrometers, we hit a liquid torrent. We fall into a capillary, riding a raging flood of red blood cells. Your body contains over 30 trillion red blood cells. One drop of blood contains millions. They are the oxygen workers of your entire empire. The colony. We smash right through the wall of a single blood cell. Welcome to the city. We glide past mitochondria. Mitochondria were once entirely separate bacteria that invaded our ancestor cells billions of years ago. We are a living, breathing fusion. But we need to see who is really in charge. We glide towards the cell's center, the nucleus. The code. We breach the nucleus wall. It's a maze inside. We are floating among chromosomes. We look at a single strand of DNA. If we removed the DNA from just one of your cells and stretched it out, it would be 2 meters long. All of the DNA in your entire body combined is over twice the diameter of our solar system. But look at the strand. A simple warning symbol is tagged onto the code. We are gliding past segments of old, fossilized retroviruses. The ghost ship. Roughly 8% of your entire DNA code is made of old viruses that infected your ancestors and got stuck there. You are 8% viral ghost town. We keep shrinking past familiar viruses. We are now smaller than life itself. Viruses are not alive. They are genetic code with no engine. They are information waiting for a factory to hack. At 1 nanometer, we reach a single water molecule. We keep shrinking. We must hit the bottom of the force. The void. We are at 100 picometers. An entire carbon atom takes up the screen. Protons, neutrons, electrons. Our elevator violently crashes into the gray atom nucleus. You think you are solid? Think again. The atoms that make up your entire body are 99.9% empty space. If we removed that empty space, the entire human race would fit inside a single sugar cube. You are mostly nothing. But as we look at the center of the carbon atom, something massive is moving on the other side of the void. What is moving inside the emptiness of our own atoms? Follow, comment, and like for part 2.